The best credit card for 2023, hands down, is going to be the SoFi Credit Card. Reason being is currently there is no annual fee. There's no fees to actually use the credit card, and it's giving 3% cash back plus SoFi points every time you spend. So technically, when we calculate it, we're looking at over 4% cash back when you use this credit card, which is up there with the top tier cards that actually make you pay annual fees. And they're also giving up to $250 bonus for signing up and using this credit card. So right now, hands down, from my experience, this is going to be the best card to use for almost everything, so that you can cash out points. You can actually use the rewards in your SoFi bank. If you just want to collect cash from that, you can do that directly. There's no minimum, or you can actually put it towards specific items in your bank. If you're using the checking, the savings, investing, trading, all the platforms that are utilized in SoFi, you can just send it directly to that, or you can just do cash payment directly into your SoFi bank. I am using this card on a daily basis. I haven't had any issues, and it is a great card if you're just getting into utilizing credit cards. As long as you pay it off, you're not going to incur any interest. Just do auto pay statement balance. You won't have to worry about anything on there. Would highly recommend to sign up utilizing the link in the bio or in the comments. This is a referral link. You will get an extra bonus for using this link to sign up with SoFi, and you will get that reward sent to your SoFi bank.